What's up, you guys? Long story short, whenever I reach 80 miles per hour on this van, the speedometer says 65. Whenever I go 65, the speedometer says 50. So what could be causing this issue? Very simple. A vehicle speed sensor. Now on this van, 97 GMC Safari is located under the vehicle in between the drive shaft and the transmission. All you do is loosen up the 8mm bolt and pop it out, and that's it. Very simple. This is our new vehicle speed sensor, and this is the one the van had. As you can tell, it doesn't look anything like it. So the original owner installed the wrong piece. Luckily, he never threw out the old piece. And here we have it for comparison. Yep, the original owner put in the wrong part. Now to reassemble, all you do is just pop it back in and snug up that 8mm bolt. Not very difficult. So did that solve the issue? Kind of. The speedometer is still off by 7 miles an hour. Now, the original owner installed another cluster, and I'm guessing he installed the wrong one. So that might take care of my issue. So until then, have a good day, you guys.